just gonna sit here and wait for her to hiccup. She's gonna sit here and wait for you to hiccup.
No, I won't.
Taking a video.
Do we all have hiccups now, or are we just not?
Oh, that's gonna be a laugh.
You know what was really embarrassing?
Now you have to be laughing. And Julie hiccuping.
One time when I was in high school, I was like zoning out, and I was sitting there